The story of early humans is a long and complex one, filled with branches and dead ends. We journey back millions of years to a time when our ancestors were taking their first tentative steps towards becoming human. One of the earliest characters in our story is a hominin who lived in Ethiopia around 2.4 million years ago. Though we know little about, their discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of our origins. Moving forward in time, we encounter who lived in Europe around 1.2 million to 800,000 years ago, is particularly interesting because they may represent a common ancestor to both Neanderthals and us. This means that stood at a crucial juncture in human evolution. And then there's a species that emerged around 700,000 years ago, was a skilled toolmaker and hunter, capable of taking down large game. They spread across Africa, Europe, and parts of Asia, adapting to a variety of environments. But most importantly, is considered by many to be the direct ancestor of both Neanderthals in Europe and in Africa. Plays a pivotal role in our understanding of human evolution. Imagine a bridge connecting two continents, representing different evolutionary paths. That's, on one side we have Neanderthals, our close cousins who dominated Europe and parts of Asia. On the other side we have who emerged in Africa. What makes so fascinating is that they possessed characteristics that would later be seen in both Neanderthals, and they had a larger brain case than earlier hominins, suggesting increased cognitive abilities. They were also physically imposing with strong bodies built for endurance. The story is a reminder that evolution is not a linear progression. It's more like a branching tree with different populations evolving along separate paths, and sometimes those paths converge again, as they did with Neanderthals and interbreeding much later in our evolutionary history. The Paleolithic Age, often called the Old Stone Age, spanned a vast period from about 2.6 million to 12,000 years ago. This era was defined by the use of stone tools, which humans used for hunting, scavenging, and crafting other essential items. During the Paleolithic, our ancestors lived as hunter-gatherers, relying on their knowledge of the land and their skills to survive. Life in the Paleolithic was challenging. Humans faced constant threats from predators, disease, and starvation, yet they thrived and spread across the globe. They developed complex social structures, language, and even art, as evidenced by cave paintings found in various parts of the world. The Paleolithic Age is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of early humans. They were masters of their environment, shaping stone tools to meet their needs and developing strategies for survival against all odds. Around 12,000 years ago, a profound shift began in human history: the Neolithic Revolution. Imagine a world without agriculture, where humans roamed vast distances in search of sustenance. The Neolithic Revolution changed all that. It marked a transition from a nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle to a settled agricultural one. This revolution began in the Fertile Crescent, a region in the Near East, and spread outwards from there. Instead of hunting and gathering, humans began to cultivate crops like wheat and barley, and domesticate animals like sheep and goats. This change had a profound impact on human societies. Settlements grew larger and more complex, leading to the rise of villages, and eventually cities. The surplus of food and resources also led to specialization of labor and the development of new technologies. The Neolithic Revolution was a turning point in human history, setting the stage for the rise of civilizations and the world we know today. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and thrive in ever-changing circumstances. From the first stone tools to the dawn of agriculture, the story of early humans is a tale of resilience, innovation, and our enduring quest to understand our place in the world.